Good morning. Today we are going to discuss about some of the concepts of spreadsheets. Here, consolidation, one of the concepts, subtotal, scenarios, goal seek. Okay. Here, the consolidate means it is used to combine the information from multiple sheets of a spreadsheet into one place. So, for suppose the data is spread out over the 2 or 3 sheets. Okay, it summarizes the 3 sheets into single sheet. This is called consolidation. Okay, now I'll open the consolidation form. See here, this is the expenditure for the January. Both are there, credit and debit. This is about the February credit and debit. So after applying this consolidation, this is the final result. So here plus symbol indicates both the sheets. Okay, if you expand this, see sheet 1 2500 and sheet 2 4000, totally 6500. Here debit 3500 in the sheet 1. See, or suppose go to the sheet 1, this is debited 3500 for Satish. Go to the sheet 2, the debit for Satish is 3500. So in this, see, perfect, 3500, 3500, that is called 7000. This is for Satish. Okay, next one, this is for Santosh. If you click here, again the Santosh first sheet 6500, correct or not? So Santosh January amount. The Santosh January amount is 2800. Okay. So sheet 2, the Santosh credit is 2000. So sheet 3, this is Santosh. Okay. Click on the Santosh. Yeah. 2800, 2000. Okay. So this is for Santosh, that is called 4800. This is called consolidation. Even though the data is spreads over different multiple sheets, but it combines in single place so that we can easily summarize the data. Okay. So now how to work with this consolidation. Okay. First, this consolidation option is available in the data. So click on the data tab. Click on the data tab. See here, click on the data tab. Here, consolidate. Okay. So here, yeah, this is the consolidate. Now, so first sheet. So this is the consolidation dialog box. This is the consolidation dialog box. This is the consolidation dialog box. So here, so many functions are there. Not only sum. Here, see, the sum, count, average, like that, so many are there. But as per the situation, we have to use these functions. Now here, I want to know the total debit, total credit. That's why sum is needed. Okay. Here, some range is there. You delete it. This is not ours. Okay. Okay. Now we can start now first onwards. So consolidation ranges. How many sheets are there? 2 sheets are there. For each and every sheet, one range will come. So first, I have to go for the first sheet. For that, see sources under data ranges. In this, click on this shrink button. If you click, this button will be this will get shrunk. Okay. Now the button is uh, shrunk. Now what you want to do is here we can select this sheet 1. Okay. From the sheet 1, you can select only this one only. This name, credit, debit. Okay. This range is A2 to C6. Now see A2 to C6. Okay. Now click here. So add this range. Add this range. Okay. Now you have to select the second button. So in the second button, second range you have to select. Again, same. You have to select the shrink. Okay, that means this is the dialog box. Once you click on that shrink dialog box, then you go to the sheet 2. Okay, now you just select the February credit and debit. Okay, this sheet 2 that is selected. Now add this one. So add. Now 2 ranges over. Now you want to select the copy the result. To copy the result, Here all are there. Sheet 1, sheet 3, sheet 5. I want one more sheet. This is a new sheet, nothing is there. So for this new sheet, select here and select the first column. Already it is selected. Okay. After then, click this again expand button. It will be expanded. Now, so you just move this one. Now see, that's over. After then, options are there. What are the options here? We are not row labels. Everything is needed, and link to source data is needed. Link to source data means once you change means automatically, and the consolidated result also it will get changed. That's the use of link to data source. I will show you. Okay, click OK. Now see the first range of sheet 1, second range of sheet 2, and final the result will be copied to sheet 6. Click OK. Click OK. Now see. So this is about the credit and debit for Satish, Santosh, okay, Girish, Harish. First you click the this expand button for Satish. Okay. Now see. Satish sheet 1 2500. Correct or not? The sheet 1 for the credit of Satish is 2500. Okay. Next February. Go to the sheet 2. For the February, Satish credit is 4000. Now sheet 6, once you check 2000, 4000. Correct? 2500, 4000, that is 6500. In such a way, the data is consolidated. So that means for two sheets data is placed in single sheet. Okay. Hope you understood. This is about the consolidation. Now we'll go for the subtotal. So a subtotal is nothing but it is used to uh, summarize the data. Okay. Example, what type of data will be? This is also for summarization only, but that summarization is for used to understand the data properly. The maximum this is used for sales. Okay. Sales in the sales field, we are using this subtotal. Not only sales, we can use it in some others also, some other topics also. Now see here, uh, this is the sales report, hard disk. Okay, some items are there. What are the items? Hard disk, pen drive. Okay, again mouse, keyboard. But here some regions are there. Okay, how many regions that hard disk was sold? What is the quantity? What is the rate? Now, I want to know region wise how many hard disks are sold. I want to know. By seeing this data, it's not the order is not get sorted properly. Ahmedabad here again Ahmedabad like this it is there. Instead of I don't want like that. I want region wise sales. Ahmedabad how many hard disks are sold. Ahmedabad how many pen drives are sold. Like that I want. So for that purpose only this subtotal option is used. Okay. So subtotal also available in the data tab only. So just get ready with this data. After that, click the data. In this subtotals are there. Click the subtotals. Before that, I'm using okay uh, sheet 5 I'm using. Okay. So the result will be placed in the sheet 5. Okay. So click the data and go for the subtotals. And here, this is see here. So group by. Now my as per my view, this should be done with the help of region wise grouping. Okay, region wise. I know about how many hard disks are there, how many keyboards are there, like that. So first here I want to group by region. Okay, okay. Next, after region wise. Okay. Next, I want to know the total quantity region wise. So here quantity, you should take the sum. Should take the sum. Okay. So total quantity for Ahmedabad region wise. And like that for rate also, I want the sum only. Okay. And number of items. Okay. For suppose item. Number of items means I want to count. For suppose 4 items, 5 items like that. Okay. So like this, I have to map all these things here like this. That's it. Now we want to click on OK button. So click on OK means here automatically here itself, see, Ahmedabad region wise. Okay. So how many items means four items here, four items, one, two, three, four. Okay. But I grouped with the region wise. Okay. Here, that's why they're grouping with the region wise, not by the item wise. So four items are there. Four items are there. Okay. Next, quantity 945 and total 6,355 sale happened for the Ahmedabad. Okay, next from Rajkot again items as per the IT 5 came. Okay, Rajkot and total quantity total. So this is called this is nothing but grouping grouping using subtotal. We can easily summarize the data area wise. Okay, after then, for suppose I want to group this data, I want to group this data with group wise first, after then item wise. Okay, how to do that? Again, go to the data, here subtotals. My first group is group wise only. That means region wise. And in the region wise, what I want to do here, item number of, I want to count number of items. But here item is, this is string data type. That means what? Text. To one count, go for ID. Okay. So item is count. After then, quantity is the sum of the quantity. Okay. Region wise, I want the sum. Rate also sum. That's it. Now, second group, I want to make it second group by item. So click on the item. Okay. For suppose if you want item wise calculations also, you can click quantity as a sum and rate also like this. Click on the sum. Okay. Click OK. Okay. Click OK. Now see. So Ahmedabad wise 945. Okay, this is 635. Total items are 4. Okay, first here it is done by the region wise, after then item wise. Or suppose here that's where two hard disks are coming. Instead of that one, if you want to do grouping with item after then region wise, all hard disks Ahmedabad, all penders, like that it will come. You want means we can do that one also. So again, control Z. Okay, go to the data and go to the subtotals. Now I want to do first one item wise. Okay, first item wise, I want to know the number of items with count and quantity as a sum and rate as a sum. That's it. And second group is region wise. Okay, so that's it. You don't want to do here. Already we have done the counting and all everything in the first one. That's enough. Click OK. Now see, all hard disks, four items are there. That means four items. I'm telling about the IDs, single item only, but four orders this is. So 1030 and keyboard 370. Okay, like that all are done. But we forgot the rate. For rate, you have to give the sum only. I didn't give, that's why it is coming like this. Okay, hope you understood.